I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your medical ID on iPhone for emergencies.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step one is to open your health app. I'm going to scroll down from the top just so I can search it very easily and then open it up. Next, you're going to click on your profile picture on the top right, and then you're going to click on medical ID. Here, you're going to enter all of your information by clicking the edit or add sections right here and filling all of these out, including your name, age, medications, allergies, obviously if you're pregnant or not, as well as your emergency contacts. On the top here, make sure this show when locked ticker is enabled so that first responders can access your medical ID from the lock screen. Once you've finished editing either of any of these sections, make sure to click done and then go back to your profile and you are all set. Now, all of your vital information and emergency contacts are accessible via the emergency SOS slider.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.